chasing waves at Mallacoota with the salt wind round their heads, laughing where the lake runs out, footprints side by side, building castles, finding treasure where the river meets the tide. Some see trouble on the grass, some see mess and bother, but I see kids beneath the gums doing what kids do together. Shells for the future, songs in the sand, little hands leaving stories all over this land. One day they'll call it history, shining in the sun, but tonight it's just children having fun. Oh, having fun under Mallacoota sky. Oh, oh, shells for the future, oh, stories in the sand. Oh, shells for the future, this old coast still understands. La da 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 da, hey now, la da 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 da, la da 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 da. Little hands in the sand, same as the old ones did long, long years ago, gathered by the firelight where the coastal waters flow. Kids have always chased the tide, left their little mark, a handful of shells and laughter glowing softly in the dark. Round and round the seasons turn, the inlet and the weather, every generation leaves a little sign forever. Shells for the future, songs in the sand, little hands leaving stories all over this land. One day they'll call it history, shining in the sun, but tonight it's just children having fun. Oh, having fun under Mallacoota sky. Some folks call it rubbish, say the pigs have been, but I see tiny archaeologists working on the green. In 1,000 years they'll build a fence, put a plaque beneath the tree. Great Mallacoota midden with a gift shop by the sea, and someone will still complain about the park. Hey! Shells for the future, songs in the sand, little hands leaving stories all over this land. One day they'll call it history, shining in the sun, but tonight it's just children having fun. Oh, having fun under Mallacoota sky. And long after we've gone, when the names have blown away, there'll be children by the water at the ending of the day, with a bucket full of wonder and the whole wide world to find, leaving shells for the future and the grown-up world behind. Ooh, shells for the future, ooh, stories in the sand, ooh, little hands leaving memories across this ancient land. Shells for the future, songs in the sand, little hands leaving stories all over this land. From the old campfires to the drone shots, flying high, kids and shells in Mallacoota, that's the reason why. Shells for the future, songs in the sand, a little pile of memories in this wild and lovely land. Tonight it's just children having fun. Oh, shells for the future, oh, stories in the sand. Oh, shells for the future, this old coast still understands. La da 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 da, hey now, la da 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 da, la da 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 da. Little heads in the sand, shells on the shoreline, kids in the sun. This is Mallacoota, and the song's just begun.